Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter Hyundai Accent, updated. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the car, and opening the glove box to access the filter compartment. Remove the glove box stops, lower the box, unclip the cover, and slide out the old filter while noting airflow direction. Inspect the new filter for correct orientation, insert it, reclip the cover, and reset the glove box. With the glove box lowered, unclip the filter cover and remove the old cabin filter carefully. Take note of trapped debris or moisture that can indicate ventilation issues. If the filter is clogged, replace it with a matching Hyundai Accent filter and double-check the airflow arrow. Clean the compartment with a vacuum if needed, then prepare the new filter for installation by aligning it with the marked direction now. Quick pause: if this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear audio and simple voice control, perfect while you work under the dash. I put the product link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Carefully position the new cabin filter into the compartment, keeping the airflow arrow aligned with the duct direction. Gently push the filter fully into place so seals compress slightly and no gaps remain. Reinstall the protective cover, ensuring clips lock securely, and raise the glove box back into position while reattaching stops. Finally, start the fan briefly to confirm consistent airflow and listen for unusual noises indicating misalignment now, please.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.